Oh. Alright. What's this supposed to be for? I know this is part of the solution. Okay. Oh, wait. Come on, down, down, down to the burning ring of fire! Wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. Damn it! Yeah, that wasn't good. You're dead, you're all dead. Everything's dead. I'm going to try to, if I have sections of where I just keep dying, I'm just going to cut them all out and just show you the end result. I have my own channel, if you want to subscribe to it. I'm going to be doing some videos on there. Some video game reviews, possibly. Some rants about certain topics. Sometimes ignorant people really piss me off, and I just want to yell at the camera at how stupid people are. And that's probably what I'll do. That was completely unproductive right there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I thought I was friends with you, and no, I'm not. So they don't want a melee fight, but they'll fight me any other way. When do I get my shotgun? That's what I want to know. Shotguns make life easier. Okay, let's go back up and see what's up here. Because there's something up there, I know. I know something's up here. There's gotta be something up here. Or nothing. Nothing's up there, that's right. I knew that all along. Ow, oh, that's pretty loud, actually. That's hurting my ears. I'm gonna have to turn that down for a little bit. Okay. This water doesn't look safe. I wouldn't be drinking it right now. Actually, I wouldn't even be swimming in it. I would probably just not touch it. Knowing everything else in this facility, it's probably got, like, several kinds of HIV. Hepatitis A and B, and C and D, and E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay. Yeah, my Nicolas Cage impression does not exist. But I thought that was a very funny scene. Right? So, oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. Ladders. Steam. I love Steam. Oh, damn. Oh, there we go. Whoa. You hear that? Turn your volume up if you can't hear it. It's making a lot of noise. Oh, I gotta try this. That was cool. I don't know why it was sounding like that, but that was pretty boss. Now that I have a shotgun, my lifelong dream of being a serial killer can finally be realized. Oh. That's right, HEV things don't work for me, so I'm not wearing an HEV suit. They actually brought some sense into this. I'm very surprised. Valve, you get a cookie. Again, the noises are being made with the loud ringing and it. Ah. Oh. No, I can't do that. Cannonball! It's still very loud. And we go! I'm probably missing every secret known to man. Everybody who's played Half-Life Blue Shift is like, you're doing it wrong. It's the wrong toner. Oh, this is not fun. Yeah, let's see what it does to this box. Go. Yeah, that's what it does. That's why I don't want to be there. I don't want to be there right now. Where am I supposed to go now? That's the first question. The second question is it this way? And I think it might be. Oh yeah. Now I have to go swimming. Whee! Oh god. What are these bottle or barrels filled with that allows them to float so good? No. Flow control. I'm gonna drown! Yeah, I called it! Oh, I thought it was closing. I was like, well, shit, I actually am gonna drown. Oh, nice. Shotgun shot. Okay, that's a question that nobody usually asks. Why is there just shotgun shells laying in the middle of the floor like this? Just, oh, hey, oh, was it him? And why do we need shotguns? Do we have our own SWAT force? Because this is... I don't know what kind of shotgun this is, but it's a shotgun. Well, everybody probably saw that one coming. You know what? I hate you and your family. Oh, what's this? Oh, no! Come on. Can I not just kill you? There we go. Oh, hey, look, a new vest. Oh. Saving right here, just reload. Okay. So, I'm guessing within the next couple of rooms there will probably be a puzzle because I haven't had an actual puzzle. Okay. Melee! There we go. That's how you kill a zombie. Everything. Excess water from canal flooding. Save. Nice. Oh! Snot! Shit, I forget your names. God damn it. Why can't I think today? I mean, I know the Hound Eyes, but just... Cthulhu Dogs is all that I have to call you right now. Okay. Alright, the Vortigons are dead. Okay. Yeah. I like the fact that they put in the echo. As he stalks his prey, he readies his 12-gauge shotgun. He makes sure it's fully loaded and decides to blast its fucking ass off with both barrels at the same time! Yeah.